There are a lot of peach cobbler recipes out there, and I've tried a lot, or any cobbler for that matter, and I think my very favorite is just the old-fashioned cobbler recipe that's been around for years and years that your grandmother and great-grandmother made. So what it is, it's all just 1 cup of flour, self-rising, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of milk. Now you do add a teaspoon of vanilla to the milk. So you just add that together, and then you'll have ready your 1/2 cup of melted butter. So that'll be ready just to pour the mixture into. So you're just gonna, when you get the flour, sugar, and the milk all ready, all you do is pour it into the pan with the butter, and then you don't stir it at all. You just let it sit in there, and then on top of that, let me show you what that looks like. So after you pour the mixture into the 1/2 cup of melted butter, you don't stir it, you just leave it. And then you'll put in your peaches. Now I have home canned peaches that I did this summer when peaches came. You can use whatever you want. The home canned are just absolutely delicious. After you get your peaches added, some people say to use the juice, some people don't. I usually just take about 1/2 cup and I'll pour it over to get some more of that juice flavor. I might even take a little bit more here. And then you're gonna bake it at 350, and it really takes almost a whole hour. The best way to eat is when it first comes out of the oven. To be honest, I could sit and eat this whole thing when it first came out of the oven, but the next day I won't even touch it. So be sure and try it first thing. And there you go, the finished product. You cannot get any better than this, but be sure and eat it hot. So yummy.